Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about DSers, a popular dropshipping platform. I've been using DSers for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for my dropshipping business. But I've also seen a lot of people online asking if DSers is free to use. So, in this video I'm going to answer that question and give you a full overview of DSers pricing plans. Before we get into the pricing plans, let's talk about what DSers is and what it does. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your Shopify store to AliExpress suppliers. This means that you can sell products on your Shopify store without having to stock any inventory yourself. DSers takes care of everything for you, from ordering the products from AliExpress to shipping them directly to your customers. So, how does DSers make money? DSers makes money by charging a monthly subscription fee. The price of the subscription depends on your monthly order volume. Here are the DSers pricing plans. Basic plan, $19.99 per month for up to 10,000 orders per month. Advanced plan, $49.99 per month for up to 50,000 orders per month. Professional plan, $99.99 per month for unlimited orders. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, DSers also charges a transaction fee for each order. The transaction fee is 3% for orders up to $50, 2% for orders between $50 and $100, and 1% for orders over $100. So, is DSers free to use? No, DSers is not free to use. However, it is a relatively affordable dropshipping platform, especially when compared to some of the other options out there. If you're just starting out with dropshipping, the basic plan is a good option. However, if you plan on selling a lot of products, you may want to upgrade to the advanced or professional plan. In addition to the pricing plans, DSers also offers a number of free features, such as unlimited product listings, automatic order fulfillment, order tracking, product reviews, customer support. So, is DSers worth it? Overall, I think DSers is a great dropshipping platform. It's easy to use, and it offers a lot of features that can help you grow your business. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable dropshipping platform, I would definitely recommend giving DSers a try. So there you have it, a full overview of DSers pricing plans. I hope this video has helped you decide if DSers is the right platform for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.